Creating a work order in Netsuite is incredibly straightforward. Let me walk you through the steps. First, navigate to the Transactions tab, then click on Manufacturing and select Built Work Orders. Now, choose an assembly item to filter the list and display only work orders for that item. Next, select a customer to filter the list for work orders associated with that specific customer. You can also choose All to display all work orders. Then, select the posting period you want to post this transaction to. If a period is closed, you won't be able to post to it. By default, Netsuite inserts today's date as the transaction date, but you can choose another date if needed. Now, select the bulk build from location used to build the orders. Check the filter box to show only orders associated with the selected location. Clear this box to build orders associated with any location or with no location. In the Filter By field, choose one of the following work order filters: some items committed to display orders with one or more items committed to be built, all items committed to display orders with all items committed to be built, or ignore item availability to display all open orders. Click the Select Order Number field to enter or scan transaction barcodes. Check the build box beside each order you want to build. Finally, click Submit.